What's going on, guys? We are back with another one. This weekend we're heading out camping. We're gonna brought the canoe and we're gonna be doing some fishing, hopefully catching some fish. It is a scorcher this weekend with highs in the low 90s. So we brought our camper with the AC so we can pump that and get a little cooled off if need be. Otherwise, we're gonna be cooking some good food, having a good time. Stick with us, should be a good one.
Was it fast?
All right, so we are all set up. Still kind of a mess, but here's the campsite. Come into here. Like I was saying, we got the camper rocking this weekend. Nice big site. Got a fire going because we're trying to get some coals going so that we can cook dinner before it gets too dark out. It is 8:15, so guessing that it's gonna get dark while we're cooking. Not a big deal. Buddy, what do we got to eat tonight? Popcorn. Well, we got homemade mac and cheese too that we love to do. All right, let's check out the camper real quick. Oh, hi, sweet pea. Little of a mess still because we got here late, but we are doing it. So we're gonna get a couple more coals going and then we'll get that Dutch oven in there and making some mac and cheese. There we go. Who is right, bud? Oh yeah, hitting the spot.
Is it good? Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Daddy did good. Yum.
Well, good morning, y'all. Beautiful little morning we got here. Slept in a little early. Little late, I should say. It's 6 o'clock right now. We're gonna get some coffee rocking and then maybe do a little fishing this morning. We'll see. We might be trying to get some things in before it gets 90 degrees. Careful. Oh. The pre-made breakfast burritos. Toss them right on the coals there. Good?
Good.
Okay, we're gonna go try our luck fishing.
Yep.
Got the canoe all strapped in.
Yep.
Mama and baby are gonna walk around and relax. Give the women a break. How many fish are we gonna catch?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good start. Nice out here. It's glass. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Okay. Hop on in, son. Woohoo! Yep. All right. Good job. We have a chance of muskie in here. There's a lot of largemouth, I guess. Starting off with a little Texas rig for a little bit, and then I got a flicker shed on the other rod that I can switch to. Guessing it's not gonna be a muskie, but you never know. You want a worm? There's a fish. Nice, Theo. Ooh. Fishy. Cool, dude. Look at that. Is that cool or what? Theo. That cool?
Yeah.
Oh, he's all tangled up. Gotta let it go. It's a little bit better one. Oh. Look at that one, bud.
A mean one.
Mean one?
A mean one. That kind of
Sweet.
That kind of mean one.
That's not too bad. That one's Nemo.
Yeah, that kind of mean one.
Later, dude. That was fun.
Hey, what?
On the old Whopper Plopper. There's a fish. Nice little bass there.
Hey,
Getting the bass.
oh my.
Oh my. Oh,
What?
you got daddy all wet. Well, all right. Ready to go in for a little bit?
Yeah.
Big dog's getting tired, and we caught about 4 largie on the top water, so that was fun. We're gonna head back, get some lunch in, and then we're hitting the beach, eh, bud? He's probably gonna go down. Woo! Just like that, we're loaded up. Ready to go back to the campsite, get some food?
Well,
Okay. All right, quick and easy venison dogs. They're gonna be good. Nice and golden. With that relish. Ooh, whoops. Bomb diggity. Quick lunch, and then it's beach time.
Is it gum?
Venny dogs. Here we are. Let's get down there.
Let's go.
Uh-oh. Okay, there.
Build a sandcastle. Can you clap? Can you wave? Hi. Oh, Theo. I think that was on Bud.
We are all done with beach time, Theo, right? We're gonna refuel, head back, and then we got pizzas in the Dutch oven tonight. Should be good. Oh, yeah.
I'm going to take these all.
Pepper's here.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And we got a little bit of jalapeno also. Gonna toss them there, see how that goes. Look at this jalapeno. This, we're just doing 5 minutes on the coals and 5 minutes resting. Gotta get that top cheese melted without burning the bottom.
Going fishing. Bye. Mila.
Just kidding. Here it comes. Ready? Oh, look at that. Ooh, not too bad. We got a little crisp on the first one. The second one should be better. Pizza turned out awesome. Mama's going in for a taste test.
We did a red pesto on this one.
Red pesto. Here we go.
Super good. A little floppy, but bomb.
Bomb diggity in the old cast iron. Gotta love it. Beautiful night, beautiful people. Shoot.
Yeah, just like there's like part.
All right, we're all pizzaed out. We're having some adult beverages. Enjoying a beautiful night. Theo's gonna close this out. Theo, what's the saying for the night?
Let's go.
Let's go.